How's it going? Well, my name is Nick Pasquale. I'm the Director of Tech here at Keller Williams San Diego Metro, and today I'm going to give you a little walkthrough on what it takes to get your database health score to 100%. Now, you may be asking, what is database health? Well, what database health is it's a percentage calculator for what you need to do to achieve a perfect contact. A perfect contact in command consists of multiple factors. It could be your phone number, your email, your address, the neighborhood you haven't subscribed to, the home anniversary, the birthday. But today I'm going to show you what you need to do to achieve that perfect 100% contact in command. Now looking here, as you can see, we're on one of my sample contacts called percent. I'm going to go through and show you what is going to factor into the percentages to give you a perfect contact. Let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and click Edit Contact, and I'm going to go through the highest percentage objects first. So number one, the name right here, this is 20% of the contact. The email, this is also 20% of the contact. The phone number, this is another 20% of the contact. If we add more information down here, additional contact information, you're going to see the street address. This is another 20%. So just from those four things, you're already going to be at an 80% contact health score. Other than those four things, there is a total of 5 other things that is going to factor into the percentage. Everything else I'm going to show you is only worth 4%, but I'll show you what they are right here. So if we scroll back up to the top, the lead source, where did the lead come from? This is worth 4%. As long as you have one tag also, this is worth 4%. If you have more tags, it's still only 4%. You need at least one. You scroll down a little bit more, you are going to see social profiles. Once again, you could add more social profiles, but just one of them, this will get you another 4%. And if we go to about, you are going to see birthday. Birthday right here, this is also worth 4%. And last but not least, the work. Where do they work? The company name and the job title, you need to put both of those. This is also worth 4%. If you do everything I said, this will get you a perfect 100% contact. Other than that, if you have any thoughts, questions, or concerns, feel free to put them in the comments down below and I'll respond to them as soon as I see them. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Thank you.